everyone, this is Angel, and for today's video I am going to teach you on how to create Kahoot and explore some related tools. Let's go!
Let's start. First, open your browser and type Kahoot in the search bar. As you can see, the official site is at the top. Click on it to open. Now, we're on the Kahoot homepage. Click sign up, it's free. Kahoot will ask you to choose the purpose for using the website. Since we are future teachers, I am going to select the teacher option. Next, choose a sign up option. I'll sign up with Google. Once we're logged in, we can now create Kahoot. Let's click create. Here, we see different versions of quizzes. Some have special mark in the corner, which means they are not free. We can also use templates, a ready-made Kahoot, but for today, we're going to create our own Kahoot, so let's click blank canvas. Now, we're on the editing page. At the top, there is a button for entering the Kahoot title. Click it to enter the name of your quiz, so let's call it Quiz. You can also add a short description if you want, which is optional, just some information about your quiz. You can also add cover image, and you can also choose any language you want to use for your quiz, and also the visibility, and then click done. On the left side, we see the number of questions in our quiz. Here we can add a question. So let's add our first question. So let's say, what is Kahoot? Below, we can upload an image, GIF, videos from YouTube's or audio. And then, on the right side, we can choose how much time students have to answer each question. So let's select the 30 seconds. Then, you can also choose how many points students can get for each correct answers. Here, we can add our 4 answer choices. We need to add at least 2 variants, and the other are optional. Mark the correct answer, which will turn green. Once you're done, click save, and then done. Now, we're on my Kahoot page where we see the quiz we just made. You can assign when the player should complete the quiz, and you can also share this quiz by clicking this 3 dot, and then click share, and then copy link. Now, let's begin hosting the quiz. Click host live. This is a pre-start page with settings for our quiz. There are 2 game modes. The first one is the classic mode, and then the second one is the lecture or the theme mode. Below, there are some additional settings, including an option to choose music, which is fun. But for today, we're going to select the classic mode. And we should also double check our settings and make sure that students can see the questions and choices. And then let's click start. So we now have a pen code that students need to enter on their devices. They should go to kahoot.it, a site created for students to join quizzes.
That's all. I hope you learned how to create Kahoot and enjoy my video.
Hello, I am Mark Michael Arbasismo, and tonight I'm gonna teach you on how to use MyQuiz.
So for today I'm going to teach you on how to use MyQuiz. So first, let's search MyQuiz and open this one, MyQuiz.org, and then log in your account. Here is I'm going to use Gmail account. So as you can see here is there is the multiplayer, single player, and team mode. So now we start to create a quiz. So as you can see here there is the one question. So here you can add your quiz name, term, quiz. Here you can add any description, and in the when section is you can adjust the date and the time of your quiz. You can also click yes to automatic start or no. Also, you can add seconds per question. Also, type and displaying the correct answer. And in the for home section, is you can add some sign in option. So you can choose the account or Facebook. Here you're gonna use the account and quiz. And the how option section is you can select your winners here. So show your winners second word, first place, or champion. Also add rate your winners with text, add your contact details to the rating, and add gifts for everyone. So since we're done in section, so let us proceed to the question. So here is there are a lot of questions, type of questions. So here is we're gonna use the question of multiple choices. So here is you may add your question. How many? Let's just say how many people you can learn. So you add your choices of 1 billion, 20 billion, so here you're gonna select the correct answer and let us see it please. And now click the play now to your quiz. And here you can see the quiz code and the QR code and then click start to start your quiz. Start now. 2, 1. So as you can see here is there's the question and the choices and there's the time for the students to answer and also you're free to stop the quiz and pause or next the question. So here is where we're putting this time. And now you can see that the quiz is done. So that's all for today's tutorial. So thank you for watching.
Hello, good day to you all. My name is Keith Lobo, and I'm here today to teach you about the educational tool named Quizalize. Okay everyone, so let's get started. So here, let's click on the search bar and type in Quizalize. So it's already here. So let's type it in. Apparently I can't spell, sorry about that. So let's click on this again, right there. So here we are at the home page of Quizalize. So we see here two options. There's the teacher option, which is for free, and the student option, which requires a code. So let's click the teacher option since we are future educators. It's a bit laggy, sorry about that. So here we have the home page of Quizalize. So it asks us what we are teaching today. So there are options for mathematics, science, computer science, and etc. So let's scroll down a bit. So here we see some free games that young learners might have fun engaging with. There's also some games here that need to be paid. So there's also some icebreakers and back to school questions right here. Also some math icebreakers and a math periodic test for quarter 1 apparently. So let's scroll up and let's make a quiz with the help of AI. So let's enter the topic. So the topic is how can we utilize educational tools in learning. That's not how you spell learning. Sorry about that. Learning. So as we scroll down a little bit, so this here we see I teach in English, so that the language will be English. So we also have here the grade. So we have kinder, first grade, second grade, third grade, sixth, seventh, eighth. There's also the older option. So let's click on the 8th grade. So as we can see here, the AI is currently generating questions for us that would help us make the quizzes more engaging and more fun for the learners. So as we can see here, but we can also skip that and type a new question immediately. So let's scroll up a little bit. So let's type in a question. Is Quizalize a helpful educational tool? So here we can add answer. So we put here no and here yes. Yes. Sorry guys. Since the answer is obviously yes, so we can click on the check mark here and it automatically makes that answer correct. So here we can also give our learners hints and also an explanation why that is the answer. So let's scroll back up and add that to quiz and then save and preview. We can also make this private to hide the quiz from other users. So let's save and preview. It automatically saves to my library. So here we have play as a student. Also edit your question to suit your class. So let's click on play as a student. So here we have, of course, the games. Students can start immediately when they wish, no big screen. This enables support students personalized help as well. There's also the big screen games, which requires this symbol right here, the crown option requires the premium version. So that's how you use Quizalize, and I hope all of you have learned something from this. So you guys learned about Kahoot, MyQuiz, and Quizalize. I hope our video may have helped you in how to navigate those educational tools, maybe in how you can incorporate them in your future learning or teaching. I hope our video helped you guys, and thank you. Goodbye.